interviews with the media reporters that by 2029 my profit turnover will be 1 lakh crore by the end of 2029 and I will demolish all the big brands that are like
Only standing on number 3. At number 1 we have Hindustan Unilever, number 2 we have Adani Wilmar, and number 3 we have Patanjali over there.
Okay, so this picture shows that the brands that Abhishek already mentioned, HUL already know. Like Dean sir has already specified on a very clear basis that what are the brands that HUL provide. So we are having a variety in HUL, and from the business point of view mind, HUL having that much professionalism, they hired those people, those who are creating a strategy that what product we will sell, what is the quality, what is the strategy, what sort of target we will do, what segmenting we will do, what positioning we will do. But Patanjali is not having any. The products are being sold on the basis of two names only. One is Baba Ramdev and the other one is Acharya Balakrishna. Next, Abhishek.
They already left the behinds like ITC, Britannia, Parle, Colgate. And
so now it arises as we are seeing a picture of the Supreme Court. So the controversy which I was talking about. So first of all,
where the business idea came
where
to
the
the
business
mind
idea came from,
yeah.
Baba Ramdev mind. Like he was a guru and we used to watch him only on on the yoga day we used to watch him, and our grandparents used to watch Astha and Sanskar and they used to do yoga. Like Kapal Bharti was famous of, and he later on he became an icon. Like people were following him blindly. He was invited to shows, he was invited for some ceremonies. Second question, how did the business grow? Like a person who is not having any degree, how his business is growing, that he is having a picture in his mind that I will generate a revenue of 1 lakh crore by 2029. So that is the curiosity.
Many allegations and controversy happens to the Baba Ramdev, and
the problems and failure, as people are saying, and we must have heard that Patanjali sales were high in the COVID period, but right now Patanjali sales is declining day by day.
what are the turning points? How they gonna made 45,000 crores profit?
So, as we have already mentioned in the previous slide that current turnover, if I talk about the Patanjali, is 45,000 crores. So, what are the key factors? What is the quality of the product? What products are they?
What are the strategies they are using over there? So we gonna talk over
And
next slides.
see, there is a question mark for Patanjali. Patanjali is still finding the ways to sustain in the market. That how we will sustain in the market, how we will capture. If I talk about the share of Patanjali, so particularly the north people only know about Patanjali. If you go into the south, people will specifically buy one or two products like gel, aloe vera or something. But they are targeting that type of audience. Next.
What are the challenges they gonna face?
And this picture suggests you, like it was a myth when we used to get up in the morning at 7 or 8 when I was in the childhood. We used to have a curiosity like there is lack of oxygen in the atmosphere because all the oxygen have been gained by the Baba Ramdev followers who used to do yoga in the morning.
Yeah, right.
So, and this Astha channel and the Sanskar channel was you can say a brand value for Baba Ramdev. People followed Baba Ramdev from here. Like people who used to follow Baba Ramdev from a very long time, if suppose Baba Ramdev launched that product, so they were not specify about the product, that what will the product will be, what will be the quality, but they were specified for Baba Ramdev. Baba Ramdev has said that, so we will for sure buy that. So these two were the channels, Sanskar and next. So Kapal Bharti has already mentioned Baba Ramdev used to do. Okay, next. So these are the asanas. Baba Ramdev basically promote his products towards the yoga. From the yoga he promotes. Like if I suppose for example say Dant Kanti. So it basically specified that it is good for your tooth. It will increase your, you can say, calcium power in the mouth. Germs will be free. So he is basically arise from these four factors.
He is already serving yoga to the community of Indian peoples. Now he decided to go in Ayurveda. So he launched in 2006 Patanjali Ayurveda.
Patanjali Ayurveda was launched in 2006. That was the clear mind of Baba Ramdev, as his company was doing that much good, but Baba Ramdev was not stopping till that. He want to go beyond that. Next, Abhishek. So Patanjali Ayurveda as
product.
Yeah. So it is a product of like Patanjali Chyawanprash. You must all have consumed it in the COVID. I am damn sure because that was the highest product that was being sold by Patanjali in the COVID period. So these are the 4 brands that Patanjali sell, and the turnover for these products are very much high. You will see it in the next. Abhishek, continue.
And 2012, Patanjali turnover was 300 crores when they are not serving any of specific products. At 2015, the turnover of Patanjali Ayurveda was 2000 crores, and when
Yeah. So Patanjali Ayurveda, when it is clearly written like FMCG, you also know fast moving consumer goods that are being consumed on a very accurate basis and on a very higher basis. So this was the entry of Patanjali into the FMCG industries. So these were the brands. Patanjali was having only like not one competitor in the market. Patanjali was having too much competition.
Patanjali also have the competitors like Dabur, ITC, Unilever, Nestle. But how they gonna
How? So the point was that, like, if I am already buying the products of Nestle, if I say Nestle Maggi, no one will deny. But if I say Patanjali,
Yeah,
all
this is
people
the
will deny.
strategy
Because
of
the
Baba
taste
Ramdev.
because the taste that we are having of Nestle is fitted in our mind. If the shopkeeper we go, he says that it is not available, stock is out. So we will wait. We will go to the another shop. So that is the impact that these 3 brands are having. So Baba Ramdev, what he did, he already strike into the minds like the true followers, like the blind followers, those who were following Baba Ramdev. He quoted this statement that the products that you are using, these are Videshi products. And the product that my company will be making, it will be all from Indian products, and all no chemicals will be involved into that. So that was the brand, that was Swadeshi product. He specified that. Next.
Yeah. Nestle, ITC and Hindustan Unilever, we quote that they are the chemical products. They are using chemicals on their products. But Baba Ramdev said we are gonna do herbal products of all product line.
So this is clearly mentioned that only that he focused on the herbals medicines. Like I will use herbals, I will use shrubs, and that all from the forests of India, not from the outside or any chemical or anything that I am using. Next, Abhishek. So this photo clearly picturized it at that time. If you have seen this event, at that time Baba Ramdev was having that image that we used to invite for the ceremonies or for the ribbon cutting ceremony. We used to invite celebrities. But at that time, Baba Ramdev was having that image that people used to invite Baba Ramdev because he was a youth icon at that time. People used to blindly follow Baba Ramdev at that time. So these are the yoga. This was the main reason that Baba Ramdev is still surviving.
At the starting time, they create a turnover of 200 crores. Basically, the fan following of Baba Ramdev.
So fan following of Baba Ramdev, if you have seen in the Asta and Sanskar, so Baba Ramdev used to follow yoga, practice yoga, and try to teach yoga to all the people. So this is the fan base that Baba Ramdev created forward when he launched his Patanjali group. Next. So natural and organic, as already cleared in the mind. If you are taking product from Nestle, HUL or anyone, it is not natural or organic. But if you are taking products from Patanjali, it is basically organic.
Yeah, like they are saying that we are Swadeshi. So the people who are connected to our countries, they are gonna buy definitely the product of Baba Ramdev. So this quote a very good point of.
So as you can see, figures show here 2015 Patanjali Ayurveda was launched and their profit was current turnover like at that time was 2000 crore. Next, and in 2018 their current turnover was 10,000 crores. So this product you must have all used in the COVID period. Like my family basically used in the COVID period cow ghee, and I am just telling you that all the brands that are in this sector, this product of Patanjali is generating a that revenue that all the competitors
That product was covering 70% share of the overall market.
Overall market, and it is basically like Baba Ramdev has suggested that this is it basically made from that is called pure ghee. So this is the product. I can suggest that many of the families are using Dant Kanti in the market. So this is also the main product of Patanjali that is generating a good turnover for them. So by this slide, we can particularly like mention a competition that Patanjali identified that. So in 2013, what happened? As you can see, the Colgate share is about 57%. So that is like a huge number. That how will you compete with Colgate if he is already having a 57% share in the market? And if you see HUL, it's 23%, and Dabur it's 12%, and Patanjali is 0.4%. So it's like not even staying in the market. It's like getting out of the market. We are investing money, but we are not even getting a high return for that. But scenarios changed in 2013. As you can see, Colgate, HUL, Dabur, they were sustaining their market. They are like creating new products, creating new customers, launching extension, brand extension, everything. But Patanjali's share suddenly got high, and it was 9.5% in 2010.
It directly impacts to
Yeah.
Hindustan Unilever by cutting
This-
down the value to 20.
Cutting down the value of you. This was the period at the COVID when Baba Ramdev was getting famous by his products. So this was the period of the COVID that from 0.4, you can like imagine an amount like from 0.4%, he got to 9.5% even after like the big brands were staying in the market. Next, Abhishek. So these are the products that Patanjali basically variety offers. So these are the like the famous products of Patanjali
These
that
are the
people.
famous products. Yeah.
Yeah, next. So see, as Abhishek clearly mentioned that 70% share this product is having in the market because it is creating a good turnover for Patanjali and increasing their profit day by day. Next, so you must have imagined that Colgate is already in the market, HUL is already in the market. So why 1323 crore rupees Patanjali is creating just from Dant Kanti? So this is the basic thing that Baba Ramdev did for Dant Kanti.
Yeah, same with the competitor of Vimbat, the Patanjali launched the Super that is creating a 250 crores turnover over there. And we have Kesh Kanti that is creating a 195 crores turnover. And you can't imagine can someone sell aloe vera, but they are selling 195 crores aloe vera gel. And 2018 they have a turnover of 10,000 crores. That a huge number of a company that was sustaining and that was managing by a yoga guru of Baba Ramdev.
Next. So that I already clear. No MBA, no CA, only yoga. These qualities were only in Baba Ramdev, and he got that company. Like I am not even imagining amount that he has already said that I will create a profit of 1 lakh crore by the end of 2029. No MBA, no CA, only yoga. I will do this with only yoga. Next, Abhishek. So these are the challenges and strategy.
Yeah.
That next. So it okay, conclude. Abhishek, just move on to the last slide. Yeah. See, I will be just concluding because it's short of time and we have to like make a conclusion for that. So Patanjali basically what did Baba Ramdev is that icon of Patanjali that he is sustaining in the market, but sort of curiosities are there. In the COVID period, Patanjali was being called by the Supreme Court and they were having a verdict at that time. Patanjali was about to close because Patanjali created a fake rumor in the market that we can cure the big diseases like diabetes and everything with R. But it was IMA confronted them that it is not. So I will just suggest with this case study that if you are having a clear picture in your mind about your brand, what it is, how will you sell, what you will target, which audience.
If you know how to pitch your brand on a market or how you want to do the marketing of that product, you can easily do that on a very good way, like Baba Ramdev do.
Yeah. So that is all from our end. If
Yeah.
any questions anyone want to ask,
Yeah.
it is free.
Yeah, please.
Really strike that because all the peoples at the COVID period were thinking that we should have that product that could sustain our life. They were not having that we will live, for sure we will live. But Patanjali made all the products with Ayurveda, with herbs, with shrubs, and they clearly specify that it is including this into this product. If you know about Colonel